Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we've got a fairly simple question, and it's to deal with algebraic expressions and simplifying them. So they've given us this question. They've said to us x plus x plus x is equal to something. It's one of these solutions. Okay, so we're going to try and work this out, and then we're going to choose the right answer. So we've got x plus x plus x is the question. Now what I want to do here, guys, is typically you're taught that there is an invisible 1 over there, and we are going to add up all of these ones together, and that's going to give us our answer of 3x. Okay, but I want to show you, now that you know how to factorize, how this makes sense. So if you look at this question, we can see that there are 3 x's, correct? And the x is a common factor that we can pull out. So let's pull out an x, and we will be left with 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sorry, let me just write the 1. Okay, so we've got 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now, if we looked at this from a distributive law perspective, we would times that in, we would times that in, and we would times that in, and we would go back to this x plus x plus x. All right? But because we've got like terms within the brackets, it's 1 plus 1 plus 1, we know that is going to equal 3. So within the brackets, we've got 3. Now that 3 times x is simply 3x, and that gives you the solution to that question. Right, so that is going to be the answer for this one, and through our factorization, I've been able to show you exactly why that is. If you look at the other options, you can see that this is 3x's multiplying each other, this is 3 times 3x's multiplying each other, and this is 4x's being added together. So B is definitely the right answer. Alright guys, hope that helped. Before I go, very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember, you can find out more about them in the description below. If you're keen for more videos like this, remember to visit our website. If we haven't answered your question yet, send it to us and we will share a personalized video with you. Until the next time guys, stay epic.